Deep within the bustling corporate offices of Taylor, a company responsible for manufacturing fast food equipment, there was a secret known only to a few. Taylor was the proud maker of the infamous McDonald's ice cream machines, celebrated for their ability to churn out creamy soft serve at a moment's notice. However, these machines had a particular flaw. They seemed to be broken all the time. But what if this wasn't just bad luck? Rumor had it that Taylor had designed these machines with a specific intent. Not just to serve ice cream, but to make more money from their inevitable breakdowns. And it all started with the software. The ice cream machine that could... almost. McDonald's franchises across the world shared the same story. On scorching summer days, whenever a kid tugged on their parent's shirt, begging for a cone, the line went as follows. "Sorry, the ice cream machine is broken." But the truth was more peculiar than that. You see, the Taylor-made machines weren't truly broken most of the time. They were temporarily inaccessible, often locked in a strange, inscrutable cleaning or error mode. The screens showed cryptic error codes nonsensical to the untrained eye. Error 4042, cleaning cycle incomplete. Error 1021, contact authorized service technician. To the employees, these codes were baffling. To the customers, they were frustrating. But to Taylor, each error was an opportunity. An inside job. Taylor's software engineers had designed these machines with a hidden purpose. They were programmed to go into an error state at regular intervals, and only certified Taylor technicians could diagnose and repair them. When a McDonald's employee attempted a reset, they'd just see another error code pop up. Worse, each machine reset required a long and rigid cool-down period before any more ice cream could be dispensed. In boardrooms and company emails, it was a different story. Taylor executives promoted the machines as innovative and self-cleaning, promising franchise owners efficiency and low maintenance costs. Yet, each service call from a franchise resulted in more fees for Taylor's certified technicians, along with a steady stream of profit for repairs and replacements. And so the secret lay in the code. One employee digs deep. One day, a McDonald's employee named Jake had finally had enough. After 3 shifts in a row of apologizing for the broken machine, he decided to investigate. Jake had a background in computer science before switching to the fast food life, and he was no stranger to debugging software. With a phone camera and a few keen observations, he started recording the error codes and their frequency. After weeks of observation, Jake noticed a pattern. The errors seemed to occur precisely every 2 days, regardless of actual machine usage. It didn't take a software engineer to know that wasn't just a coincidence. Jake reached out to a friend from his old university, someone who had dabbled in programming for industrial equipment. His friend confirmed his suspicions. This looked like a manufactured problem, a designed flaw that ensured service calls would keep coming. The truth comes out. Armed with his data, Jake went to his franchise manager, who was both shocked and skeptical. After all, McDonald's owned the machines, and they trusted Taylor's brand. But after several persistent calls, Jake and his manager finally managed to connect with someone higher up in McDonald's corporate office. They forwarded the data, and soon enough, the story made its way up the chain. In the ensuing weeks, McDonald's quietly launched an internal investigation, bringing in a team of independent tech consultants to examine Taylor's machines. What they found was astounding. Taylor had embedded a failsafe into the software, triggering non-critical error codes at specific intervals. These codes appeared designed to nudge franchise owners into calling Taylor-certified technicians, creating a lucrative cycle of service calls. Taylor's public response. Under growing pressure from McDonald's, Taylor executives scrambled to explain. They claimed the machine's issues were simply the byproduct of sophisticated technology and the complex demands of self-cleaning machinery. However, the investigation revealed that simpler solutions existed and that the machines didn't need to break down so frequently if not for Taylor's unique software choices. Taylor's actions came under fire, and public scrutiny followed. News outlets ran headlines about the ice cream machine conspiracy, and soon, the cat was fully out of the bag. In response, McDonald's began testing alternative soft-serve machines in select locations, vowing to ensure that no customer would ever hear, "The ice cream machine is broken," again. And finally, ice cream for all. With time, McDonald's phased out the faulty machines, and new, reliable models filled the stores. Jake became a bit of a folk hero among customers, known as the guy who cracked the ice cream machine mystery. And finally, on hot summer days, kids could walk into any McDonald's and leave with a cone of cool, creamy ice cream. No error codes, no service calls required.